Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable 5G network connectivity on your Samsung device. So if you have a Samsung device that supports 5G network, I'm going to be showing you how to enable it in this video. So firstly, head over to your settings application. So from your settings application, you click on connections. And from connections, you click on mobile network. So they are going to be seeing network mode. So once you get to the network mode option, you click it and change it to 5G. And once you click it and change to 5G, you're going to be able to change your network to 5G. So if you are getting this type of prompt, okay, so you just have to turn off your power saver to be able to change it to 5G network. So I've turned off my power saver, then you see I can be able to change it to 5G. So I've successfully changed my network speed mode to 5G. So this is just how I can easily do this, guys. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, guys.